Welcome back to Sean Home Decor and Design, your trusted source for latest in-home decor trends and inspiration. Today, we're diving into the art of creating a cozy bedroom, a space that feels warm, inviting, and truly like a retreat from outside the world. A cozy bedroom is more than just a place to sleep, it's a sanctuary where you can relax, unwind, and rejuvenate. Whether you are starting from a scratch or looking to add something finishing touches, we have got plenty of ideas to help you master the cozy bedroom look. The foundation of any cozy bedroom is comfort. This means choosing the right bed, bedding, and furniture that invite you to relax. Start with high quality mattresses that supports restful sleep and layer it with soft luxurious bedding. Think plush duvets, fluffy pillows, and cozy throws that you can sink into at the time of the long day. Opt for natural fabrics like cotton, linen, or wool, which are not only comfortable but also breathable, helping you maintain the perfect sleep environment. When it comes to creating a cozy atmosphere, colors plays a crucial role. Warm, earthy tones like soft beige, warm gray, and rich browns create a sense of calm and comfort. If you prefer a bit of color, consider muted shades like dusty rose, sage green, or a deep moody blue. These colors can make your bedroom feel more intimate and inviting. You can also add depth by using different shades of the same color or by incorporating accent colors through your bedding, cushions, or decor pieces. Lighting is key in setting the mood for a cozy bedroom. Instead of relying on a single overhead light, create a layered lighting scheme that includes ambient task and accent lighting. Soft, warm toned bulbs in bedside lamps, wall sconces, or floor lamps can create a gentle, relaxing glow. Dimmer switches are also a great addition, allowing you to adjust the light levels to suit your mood. For a touch of romance and warmth, consider adding candles or string lights, which can add a soft, flickering ambience to the room. Texture is another essential element in creating a cozy bedroom. Layering different textures like a chunky knit throw on top of smooth cotton sheets or a velvet cushion on a linen armchair adds depth and warmth to your space. Consider incorporating a variety of materials such as wood, wool, fox fur, and woven fabrics to create a rich tactile experience. A plush area rug underfoot can also add to the sense of coziness, providing a soft landing when you step out of the bed. Your bedroom should be a reflection of you, so you don't be afraid to add personal touches that make the feel space feel uniquely yours. This could be anything from framed photos and artwork to a collection of your favorite books or a vase of the fresh flowers. These small details can make your bedroom feel more lived in and loved, turning it into a true retreat where you can relax and recharge. A cozy bedroom is also one that feels calm and uncluttered. Take the time to declutter your space, keeping only the items that bring you joy and contribute to the overall sense of comfort. Invest in smart storage solutions like underbed storage boxes or a stylish storage bench at the foot of the bed to keep your space tidy and organized. A minimalist approach to decor can also help create a peaceful, serene environment where you can truly unwind. Bringing elements of nature into your bedroom can significantly enhance the cozy vibe. Consider incorporating natural elements and natural materials like wood, stone, or jute in your furniture and decor. Houseplants are another great way to add a touch of nature, not to mention they can improve air quality and create a calming atmosphere. Even a simple vase of fresh greenery or a bowl of pine cones can add a natural organic feel to the room. Creating a cozy bedroom is all about blending comfort, warmth, and personal style. With the right combination of colors, textures, lighting, and decor, you can transform your bedroom into a welcoming retreat that you will love becoming home to. Thank you for tuning into the Sean Home Decor and Design. We hope these tips inspire you to create your own cozy bedroom sanctuary. Creating a cozy bedroom is all about blending comfort, warmth, and personal style with the right combination of colors, textures, lighting, and decor. You can transform your bedroom into a welcoming retreat that you will love coming home to. Thank you for tuning in to Sean Home Decor and Design. We hope these tips inspire you to create your cozy bedroom sanctuary. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more design inspiration and home decorated ideas. Until next time, sweet dreams and okay, bye.